Hello guys and welcome to another Premiere Pro tutorial. Today I want to show you how to create before and after wipe transition in Premiere Pro. For this effect to work, you need two identical clips where there's only color and light changes. So what I'm going to do is to select this clip over here, hold down Alt and drag it one step higher to duplicate it. Now we have created two clips over here. Now what I want to do is to create color changes between these two clips. So on the first clip down, I'm going to make it black and white, while on my second clip here, I'm going to make it colored. So I'm going to select this clip over here, come down to my Lumetri color over here, and I'm going to increase the saturation to somewhere around 150 just to make the clip different. Now I'm going to come back and select my first clip over here and go over to effects and search for black and white and apply this black and white effect onto my first clip over here. So we have a clip here with black and white and we have another clip here which is colored. The next thing I'm going to do is to select this first clip and place it above this second clip so that they perfectly align. So what I'm going to do now is to move my playhead to the position where I want this wipe transition to begin and hold down Ctrl plus K to cut down both clips. The next thing I'm going to do is to select this first clip at the top here and delete it. Select the bottom clip at the end here and delete it. Now I'm going to select this other top clip and bring it down to align perfectly and move back to the effects and search for the wipe effect. Now what you want is the wipe effect that is under the wipe folder. Now select this wipe effect and place it in between these both clips. Now select the wipe effect and move over to your effects control. Now if it's not perfectly aligned in the center, all you need to do is to come over to alignment here, drop this arrow down and you'll find start at cut, end at cut. Make sure it's on center at cut. Now over here at the border width, you can increase the width of the line to any figure you like. I prefer to use 10. You can also change the color from black to whatever you like, but I'm going to leave it as black as I prefer this black color over here. So basically, if you go back now and hit play, you can see what we have created over here. And that's it guys on how to create this before and after transition effect in Premiere Pro. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this tutorial very useful. If you did, kindly give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel.